Kim Kardashian had this absolute...
Would be awesome if there's a priest here, 'cause look.
Can I have some catnip? Dude, let me get some catnip. It's not all yours. I want catnip. Why are you hiding it under you?
No. Dude. This is not yours. This is not...
La panza le pone bajo, ¿viste? Así que ahora no sé qué onda.
No. Dude. This is not yours. This is not...
Bud. There's my bra. Can I? Give me it. Give me it.
Oh.
Turns out there's also a vegetarian community in Cat's World.
Bok, bok, держи. Bok, bok.
All right, now suddenly I feel like taking a trip to Turkey.
Что ты делаешь?
Oh my God. Hit my grandma with a pack of cabbage, hit my little niece with a tricep.
What are you looking at? Oh, what are you looking at, Tambo? What do you see?
Yeah, you're probably being watched by a random cat too. Cat had a teaser. Grew up playing extreme games already. Bro's gonna be a fearless guy.
And we played that tape to death. And we played that tape to destroy. And then Pop got the phone call that Greg was having a...
Another proof that cats are the chillest creatures on Earth. Cats and easygoing don't go together, and that's exactly why teasing them is fun. The one who dares to try is the one who wins. Yeah, the balance of power in this house is pretty clear.
Huh?
Kittens are basically the easiest ones to manipulate. Something moving, definitely a prey.
Foster, you good?
Turns out, this is the meaning of your biggest opponent is yourself.
Give me a kiss. Is she like legit saying no right now? Give me a kiss.
Everybody is friend when the belly is empty.
Shadow? What are you doing? Hi!
Caught in the act. I caught you. You're eating the gingerbread house? Caught red-handed? What do you have to say for yourself?
Max.
Peanut, you used to be our good kid. Why are you our problem cat now? You should get down. Thank you.
This new litter box a flop.
Cats' timing is the best. They can make every situation become funny.
Good girl.
Marco.
To spot beauty in spinning clothes. Yeah, some cat stuffs.
Kim Kardashian had this absolute.
Well, has there been a day that cat can be normal all the time?
Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no, no.
If life with an orange...
Having a cat as the drama queen in the house can bring you lots of laughs.
Stop it. Get away, you psycho. Stop. I know you're about to bite me.
Minka Belmoy. Minka Belmoy.
Hey, good boy, good boy, good boy.
Definitely a fail attempt, but point for the spirit.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb.
Yeah!
Did he just watch Ratatouille or something like that? Turns out when you're cute, everything you do is cute. If idols ever left the house without security, this would be the scene.
Ow! What you doing?
Ozzy, I just mopped, bro. Really?